Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I thought I'll do a video on lithium, some of the ASX lithium stocks, because last few weeks there were full pullbacks on the some of the lithium stocks. So this may be a good buy opportunity. Let's have a look and then you can see which one may be better to buy or which one you may need to wait and see if it comes to another price level. Yeah, so I was looking in the internet, try to find a lithium price sort of a chart, but I couldn't find. But then this I found this one. This is LIT. This is in America, like a ETF. I believe this provide good information on. Let's see if it says anything. Like what I want to do show you is like the global lithium sort of price. Anyway, let's look at this chart. I'm not 100% sure which chart. I'll try to find it for next week. By looking at this, you can see the lithium price sort of went down, had a good run, had a dip, now went up, then trying to go up again. This is last few weeks with the China issue, like real estate, that company going to collapse, all those stories. It has pulled back slightly. Let's see how it plays out. Now you can see last week or the week we just passed had a good run, trying to go up now. Let's see how it goes next week or week after. So the stocks I have, you can see these are the stocks I'm going to do quick today. So let's go one by one. Pilbara Mining. You can see, so this is the previous high in this cycle, and it has cleared it some time back. Then it is now going up. Now it's sort of coming down. You can see RSI is going down. Good sign is the volume has picked up last few weeks, so that is a good sign for Pilbara. Let's go to the daily and see. Can't see much support resistance levels. Yeah, you can see this level has passed. Now let's put a mark here, down here. So what has happened now is, this is the daily chart. So this area has been like a support for this stock for a few times, 1 2 3 4, then it came down on that level. Now it has met with the resistance few days, then pushed higher, but the volume is not there to back up that push. Now it is just above that level, so that's sort of the psychological level as well, $2. So what I would like to see is bit more volume coming up to back this move going up. Otherwise, even though it go up, it may be a fake out, like here, let's say like similar to here, this level. Oops, sorry. See here, it went up 2 days, then came down crashing. So this may be similar thing. This may be a fake out, then it may drop further, because the issue I have is it doesn't have the volume to back up its move. So yeah, just keep an eye, see if it close few more days above this line. then go from there. Then if it go above, like close above this line, you can buy, then put a stop loss around $2 or let's say $1.95, sort of around that mark. Then yeah, go from there. Next one is CXO. I'll go to the weekly. You can see it nicely. Yeah, you can see this has been like a resistance box early. Then again, see the resistance. So see this one. You can see the compared to previous. See it break this resistance level with good volume. You can see the volume bar. See the volume has increased to other few weeks, whereas Pilbara, see this move didn't have much volume to back up like compared to the other weeks. Here you can see this move, it's cross with high volume. See the volume bar. So then you get more confidence that the volume is backing up. Then it came and retested again this level. So now this level, previously it has become a resistance. Now it acted as a support. Then last week you can see high volume came up and it pushed higher. So last week alone, this has gone up 41%. Let's go to the daily. Yeah. So see here it came, retested few times this support before going up. Last 2-3 days you can see the volume coming up. It's really nice when volume is there. So now it is bit tricky. It is now in that blue sky territory. Is there anything before? Maybe not. Yeah, so this is all-time high for CXO. How I like this setup because it's past the resistance. Now it is in all-time high price area. What we can do is, let's look at how much. Yeah, it's 35%. It's a bit high. Let's say to the bottom of here, 10%. Maybe what you can do is, if you really like this stock, you can buy it now and put a stop loss around 49 cents. So then you are losing 10% if it comes down. If you can hold the digest 35%, 36% stop loss, that may be a really good stop loss, but I know it's a big loss if it triggers. So because that way it give stock a lot of time to move around this area before its next leg up. But the way it is now, it looks with the volume backing up, it may continue to head higher, but these are still 54.7, that sort of level is its early days for these stocks, so it can come crashing down as well. So always use a stop loss. It will save or it will minimize your loss. So that's looking good. Core lithium. Then next one is Gallon Lithium. Let's go to the weekly. Again, you can see my resistance bar is here. It has gone up. Again, you can see it crossed on high volume compared to previous weeks. Here, see this volume and the cross. See, it crossed this resistance on a high volume compared to previous. So you get bit more confidence when it like volume goes up when it cross resistance. So again, you can see it went up, came down, it didn't came down all the way where I wanted, but came down to retest this area as support. Now it's supported the stock. It is heading high. You can see the last 3 weeks volume is going up. Again, it is a nice setup. Let's look at where we can put the stop loss. I think my mouse has issues always, it doesn't pick first time. Anyway, yeah, so 14% may be a good stop loss level. Again, this is not financial advice. You can put the stop loss wherever you depend on your financial situation, but 14%, 15% stop loss for this one seems a good stop loss. So then you give the stock time to move around, and if it come crashing down, you lose only 15%. So that's another good looking one. Stock, let's go to the daily chart and see. Yeah, it's looking good. Next one is Oracrobra. Look at the weeklies. Same, it didn't come all the way down. It is hanging here, but volume has picked up. But last few weeks volume is bit down compared to other weeks previous. This one I would wait little bit to see if it comes down further. I have a feeling it may come down to like $8, maybe, who knows. Yeah, let's have a look at daily chart. Yeah, there's a probably, yeah, okay, it may not come down. As you can see a level here, which it has sort of supported once, twice, then sort of went down, came up, down. I have a feeling, yeah, this level may be supporting this stock now, $8.17, $8.15, that level. Yeah, anyway, keep an eye. This level may be another level. This stock may be supported, or otherwise it may come closer to this $7 mark. My concern is last few weeks its volume has dropped, so yeah, just keep an eye. Next one, Novinix. It's sort of the lithium theme stock. I'm really happy to reach our target price, which I was predicting before. If you have no point watching it now, but if you want to watch, go back to my channel and have a look how I came with this $6.50 target price. As expected, this stock, gets sold out as well. It goes up, sold out, then start the next leg up. Now I think this had done a really good run. This stock may be resting. I would not put money into this stock yet because it did a very good run recently. I don't expect another leg up that soon, but again, who knows, if they come up with an announcement, something positive, next leg up will happen. Keep an eye. Thalga, this is one of my favorite stocks, but I was expecting this to run hard like Novinix for a while, but still nothing. But good sign is it's holding this support box at this stage. So this is sort of consolidation around this area. I believe it is resting enough for next leg up. You can see that stock did something similar here before the next leg up here. Only concern I have here is volume is very low, so not much buying and selling happening with this stock. Yeah, so it's again, I had this stock, then my stop loss triggered. I think somewhere, I think here I bought somewhere here, then I made some money when it sort of, then this spike out here. I put a stop loss around here, then it triggered. So now I am waiting again for entry level. I personally like, because with Talga I am a bit more like a long term investor. That's my view at this stage. So since this is consolidation around this price area, I am personally happy to buy now, but my goal is long term because I'm expecting another 2, 3, maybe 5 years time to sell. So if you are someone like that, this price area may be a good area for entry with the stop loss level around here if you want, or $1. If you're long term, $1 maybe you may be happy with, because $1 is a psychological level. Yeah, but if you are a short to medium term, yeah, you are coming into the top half of this price band. You may need to wait either it clears this resistance or it may come down to this support if you want to buy. So it depends on what you want to do with this stock. If you are a long term, like you are looking at 5, 10 years, it doesn't matter. Few cents here and there. See, now it is consolidating, so it's a good time to buy if you are a at least medium term to long term investor. Vulcan Energy. Again, I had a price target of $20. It didn't reach there. So let's keep an eye. I'll keep that price target. So it had a support here around $12. So it has gone past that, like it means it's sold out past that. So next support area I can see is here around $9.60, $9.50. It is in that price zone now. Let's see what it does at this. Oops, sorry. At this stage, sorry, it is not a good area to enter because it's in between the support and the support resistance lines, because someone say it's supported here, but who knows, it may go down. So yeah, if I want, let's say if I want to buy this stock, I want it to be close above this previous support level for few weeks, or I want it to come further down closer to this resistance if I am putting money on it. At this stage I am not putting money because who knows what will happen. If it goes up, that's good, but if it comes down you could have bought it lower prices. SYA, again, nice. I think it's a small stock in lithium space. I'll put daily because I was looking at the daily chart. Yeah, see, you can see this is that support level. Currently it is sitting. If it comes down, next level I can see is here, and the level after that is here. So this is daily, sorry, last 2 days volume has picked up. If someone want to buy, I know this has been talked up in Facebook groups and other places. See, let's say if someone want to buy it now and put a stop loss, I would say here to the last 13%, and you can take a risk. So you buy it now, put a stop loss around, is it 13.5 cents, around that mark, and see how you go, because the volume has picked up last 2 days. This may be charging up higher. Yeah, so it's a bit risky. See the data, sort of not much volume is happening. RSI is bit down. So this may be a good area to buy with that stop loss around here. In case it goes down, you can save some money. If it goes up, that's what we are here to do, make money. Anyway, that's all the lithium related stocks I have in my watch list, sort of. If you want to watch anything else, please let me know. Yeah, and please subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of people watch the videos and you don't subscribe. Please like my videos, subscribe. That will help a lot to grow my channel. Thanks for watching. Yeah, let me know if you have any comments in below. Thanks.